right, guys, here they are, the highly anticipated USD Shadow Dustin Latimer. You got the old school Latimer face profile on the skate and really cool USD box. Let's go ahead and get these open. Got all the power slide emblems here. This is the nice colorway. I think Dustin Latimer had these, the colors modeled after the gray and black thrones from back in the day. They feel lighter. They feel lighter already, so that's a good sign. All right, so I just tried these on and super comfortable. I'm really liking the new shoes, the Dustin Latimer, the updated shoes. Obviously, as times are changing, the material is getting better. They feel wider, so I wear usually like a size 11 shoe, and I got these in a 10.5, and they're super comfortable. They're wide right here. They have a toe protector right here, kind of this rubberized, a little bit thicker material versus the older Shadow. And you have a nice grooved surface here, and this is kind of cool. You see this part on the back that sticks out a little bit. Now when you're going to have your skate in, this is going to help prevent heel lift. And then you got your shock absorber right there. Now the old shoes, they didn't have much of that, so definitely a big upgrade. Yeah, it's really nice. This looks like kind of like a really sturdy material with the side lining here, and just a nice colorway in here. Yeah, I busted out the old school Dustin Latimer fitting numero 25, 1998, and fitting for the also the 25 years of anniversary All-Star DL skate. And this is Dustin back in the day in 98 doing a disaster 360 on a handrail, like most of us would do soul grind or just a 360 over the stairs. No, Dustin Latimer is going to go big because he's Dustin Latimer, and he's going to 360 into a disaster soul grind. Whoop. Yeah, I'm super pumped on these skates. I think, oh yeah, I did weigh them, 4 pounds 11 ounces versus this setup right here. I have the Stockwell 4s. They are 4.15. Obviously we have the anti-rocker wheels here, so that could be the difference, but still this setup is lighter. You have those nice these are the Kaisers, but they're just like the Mook frames where you can literally grind anything for the most part. I remember these used to be really these used to perform really well on really thick rails and curbs and stuff like that. You really had all that space once you're used to it. Not only was it crazy going from like having the negative space and then all that sole space, and then now you have this space for doing thicker rails, doing front sides or farves. So really a big plus if you've never used this kind of frame before. The wheels, unfortunately, they almost looked like mind game wheels for just a split second. I really wanted to believe that maybe, just maybe, they would do an anniversary, but these are cool still. 50 by 90A, and you have the USD logo on them. Pretty solid wheels here. Have not tried them yet, as you can see, but you got the 3-piece old school soul grind versus, for example, on the newer Shadow, newer as in newer when they were releasing them. They updated it to a one piece. I think I like the three piece look for sure more. If you wear this down, you could replace, you could replace more parts. I think it works, it's just something you got to try, but I like how he went old school, and I like how they were able to get the parts. And even if you look over here, over there, you see the old school Shadow logo. You got all the animals on there. And stay tuned for the end of the video. I'll probably have some like ads from old school ads of Shadow towards the end of the video. And yeah, I really like the skates. I mean, I've skated these thousands of times, the old school Shadows, and they're comfortable. They're quality skate. They're definitely different. Some people don't like the looks of them, but I think they're a solid skate, man. It's definitely worth checking out. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And yeah, comment, have you tried the Shadows? Are you gonna get these? Are you sold on all the little upgrades, like the the heel lift on the shoes? Are you gonna just order them because your shoes are worn out, for the upgraded shoes, to try these out? I think this is kind of a nice, I bet you if they release the shoes just by themselves, this should be a pretty good seller with all the all the fans of Shadow skates who need to upgrade their shoes, And yeah, I'm loving the colorway. I think it's fitting, it's simple. Great box art. This is something somebody can display in their collection. And yeah, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it, and get out there and skate. Wishing everyone all the best.